Some secrets are meant to be shared. Others are meant to be savored all by yourself, with things like this chocolate lava cake for one. Whisking together 3 tablespoons of sugar, a half teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 egg, and whisking these together until it's super light in color. See how it's kind of orange right now? Until it's nice and light like that. Over medium heat, we're going to melt a tablespoon of butter and a 1/4 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Just want to melt this and stir it till nice and smooth. There we go. Not even 3 minutes. Now we'll go ahead and add our chocolate to our egg and sugar mixture and get that all whisked through there. Now then, a little baker's trick. Whenever you're working with chocolate, add cinnamon. Cinnamon draws out that chocolate flavor and adds a little bit of warmth. The person eating it will have no clue what you did, but it will be the most spectacular chocolate thing that they have ever had because of that little bit of cinnamon in there. So to 2 tablespoons of flour, I've added a half teaspoon of cinnamon. And get that all stirred through, scraping down the edges. Beautiful and smooth. Now we get this into my prepared ramekin. Now it's all ready to go into our 425-degree oven for about 15 minutes. Once we pull it from the oven, gonna invert it and let it sit for about 30 seconds. So there you have it, super fast chocolate lava cake for one. If you're looking for more dessert recipes for one, check out this playlist. Recipe for this is down in the description. Remember, cook for one, have some fun, waste none. See you in the next one.